guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lens on your Spy Flynn. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on. Now the Flynn is a singular lens, so we're going to be working in sections. Alrighty? So the first thing we're going to want to do is, turn the frame at a 90-degree angle. It's not necessary, but it's just easier to work this way. And we're going to locate sections here and here, and we're going to pull out on these sections of the frame as we push the lens forward to unseat it. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Again, pull out with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumbs. Like that. Now once you've done that, let's do the same thing to the other side. Locate sections here and here. Pull out as we push forward with our thumbs. Perfect. Now if you do hear a popping sound like that, do not be alarmed. It's just a lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. Now the only thing that's holding this lens in is the nose piece here. So we're going to place our thumbs here right above the bridge of the nose. And we're going to push the lens forward with our thumbs as we push the frame towards us to unseat it with these two fingers. Let's give it a shot. And the lens should pop out rather easily. And now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around like this. Have it facing towards you. Now locate the grooves of the frame inside, and that's what we're going to be lining up our lens to. Now today I'm going to be installing our Revo Emerald Green lens. Now since it is a singular lens, we are going to start in sections, and we're going to start off with this groove here and the bottom groove here of the frame. So we're going to line up our lens to those grooves, and then we're just simply going to push in or down to get it to seat in. And once we've done that to one side, we're going to work our way up towards the nose piece and push the lens in. And you should hear that pop. And now the final section here of the lens. Like that. Now once that's done, go ahead and take your microfiber cloth, and we're going to give it a nice little wipe down just to get rid of any oils or fingerprints or impurities that might have stayed on during the installation. We're going to get those right off with this cloth here. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.